The 2013 Aprilia SRV 850 ABS, ATC. The Aprilia SRV 850 ABS is one of the most capable scooters in its class. It is propelled by a 90° V-twin, 4-stroke engine with a displacement of 839.3 cc. The engine rewards you with a maximum output of 76 CV at 7.750 revolutions per minute and 76.4 Nm of torque at 6.000 revolutions per minute. The engine's power is kept under control by a modern twist-and-go CVT transmission with torque server. The engine is mounted on a double cradle tubular steel frame that is light yet stiff. As far as suspensions are concerned, the Aprilia SRV 850 rides on 41 mm diameter hydraulic telescopic forks with straight stanchions and setback pin, 122 mm wheel vertical travel, while out back there is a horizontal, hydraulic monoshock with 7-position spring preload adjustment. The Aprilia SRV 850 ABS, ATC is offered with a starting price of $17,490. Hit the jump for more information on the Aprilia SRV 850 ABS, ATC. Overview. After redefining the extreme limits of the scooter world, Aprilia SRV 850 pushes even farther with a new version equipped with ABS and ATC electronic control systems. The performance of the most powerful scooter in the world combines with the safety of latest generation electronics, thanks to systems which stem from Aprilia's experience in the racing world, and so Aprilia SRV 850 ABS, ATC confirms its first in technology at the service of sportiness. SRV 850 is derived from the experience Aprilia has gained over decades of success in the most prestigious and selective world competitions, including Superbike, where the extraordinary RSV4 is the 2010 world champion with first-rate rider Max Biaggi, the 5-time world champion who is currently once again the ranking leader in the championship. The relationship with the Aprilia Superbike, winner of all the 1000cc Supersport comparative reviews in 2012 conducted by the sector's most authoritative specialized magazines in Europe, is clear just by looking at the design. The bold lines enhance the dynamic nature of the vehicle and its truly unique technical characteristics. The front section is the extreme summary of Aprilia stylistic language. The triple headlight, the dynamic air intakes under the light assembly and the racing top fairing are elements that the SRV 850 has in common with the bike that revolutionized the super sport world. In fact, the SRV 850 constitutes the point of contact between the scooter world and the motorcycle world. The details do not betray the expectations. The two aluminium half handlebars, the rear light assembly with LED technology and the instrument panel complete with a multi-function digital display are all clearly inspired by the two-wheeled sport world. SRV 850 ABS, ATC achieves the ambitious goal of maximum improvement, introducing ABS and ATC for the first time ever on a vehicle in this category. The former prevents the wheels from locking up during braking, the latter ensures maximum rear tire grip during acceleration in any conditions. Refined technologies that the Aprilia Research and Development Department has fine-tuned for the specific needs of this exceptional scooter. First-rate technology, Aprilia SRV 850 conquers another first, after being deservedly crowned as the most powerful, fastest and technological scooter on the market today. It has also become the first, and one of the only, in the maxi sport segment to have the double ABS, ATC system, thus reaching a level of technical sophistication until now reserved for the most exclusive motorcycles on the market. The ABS system keeps the wheels from locking up during braking or on wet asphalt. ATC ensures maximum rear tire grip, even during the boulder-type acceleration permitted by the plentiful power of the twin-cylinder 90° V mounted on the SRV 850. Safety and control are at the service of all in urban commuting as well as during sport riding outside of the city environment. The ABS and ATC systems installed on the SRV 850 each use a dedicated electronic control unit directly connected to the two sensors located on both wheels which read motion by means of specific tone wheels. Therefore, despite the fact that they use the same sensors, the activity directed toward two systems is different. For the ABS, the detection systems located on the wheels measure their speed instantaneously. When deceleration of one is greater than that of the other, the system is activated. The electronic control unit sends the signal to another hydraulic-type control unit through a servo valve which removes or restores pressure to the hydraulic system until reaching a value which allows grip to be recovered, preventing the tires from locking up. This way the best braking performance possible is obtained, depending on the conditions of the asphalt, guaranteeing stability for the vehicle and safety for the rider. For the ATC system, the two-speed sensors allow the control unit to determine the vehicle's speed of progress at any given time, informing the engine ECU through the sophisticated CAN-bus communication system. When the rotation speed of the traction wheel is found to be greater than that of the front wheel, the control unit determines the slippage of the rear wheel and intervenes on the ignition advance and injection timing to limit the driving torque produced by the engine, thereby preventing loss of grip. This way the rider can focus on the task at hand with the guarantee of always having the best possible transfer of power to the ground. The Aprilia SRV 850 ABS ATC traction control system, in addition to being turned on or off, can also be adjusted to one of two positions. The sensitivity in sport mode, indicated by the special warning light on the instrument panel, is less intrusive and therefore perfect for providing the most satisfying sport ride experience possible for the more adventurous rider possible, with the certainty that the ATC system will intervene if absolutely necessary. The goal of the operating logic in standard mode, on the other hand, is to keep the rider, no matter how experienced, safe in any conditions, both weather and asphalt, and it is the ideal solution for day-to-day city riding. The presence of sensors on the wheels, the sliding button on the right-hand electrical block which controls the ATC operating mode, and the adhesive decals, distinguish the Aprilia SRV 850 ABS ATC version. All the power of a unique engine. Aprilia SRV 850 ABS ATC is powered by a mighty twin-cylinder 90° V, the first and only installed on a maxi scooter, with a performance level capable of making it the fastest and most powerful in the world. The twin has an effective displacement of 839.3 cc and is equipped with a 4-valve per cylinder, single overhead cam timing system and twin spark plug ignition. It is liquid-cooled and fueled by electronic injection. It reaches maximum power of 55.9 kilowatts, 76.0 HP at 7,750 revolutions per minute. Maximum torque is 76.4 Newton-meters, 7.8 kgm at 6,000 revolutions per minute. Specifications that place the SRV 850 ABS ATC at the top of its category. The technical specifications of this extraordinary engine are the same as the unit mounted on the SRV 850, one of which is the standout feature of the crankshaft and transmission group designed with a rotational motion opposite that of the wheels in order to obtain a significant reduction of rotating inertia and the gyroscopic effect, all to the advantage of handling. In order to reduce vibrations, the engine is mounted to the frame in an elastic way, while the exhaust system is free from the frame. The aluminium swing arm, on the other hand, is solidly secured to the frame, guaranteeing stability and traction, the latter perfected by the chain final drive. Motorcycle-type chassis. The performance provided by the powertrain can be taken advantage of thanks to the SRV 850 ABS ATC Chassis Characteristics. The frame follows a double cradle layout and is made from steel tubing with reinforcing plates. Simulations and road tests have demonstrated that the SRV 850 has a coefficient of stability at full power similar to a motorcycle 1 radian/sec, almost twice as high as a conventional scooter. The high level of rigidity translates into an extraordinary feeling of sport riding control, where the SRV 850 ABS ATC can reach lean angles in turns of up to 45 degrees. The suspension is made up of a hydraulic shock absorber mounted laterally in a horizontal position, adjustable in spring preload to an astonishing 7 positions, and an aluminium fork with 41 mm stanchions. The motorcycle-style wheel rims, 16 inches at the front and 15 inches on the rear, with 5 hollow spokes, are manufactured in aluminium in order to minimize unsuspended mass and to guarantee great riding precision. Overall performance is also helped by standard equipment radial tires, 120/70ths at the front and 160/60ths on the driving wheel. The braking system at the front uses Brembo Gold Series double-piston floating calipers and 2 300 mm semi-floating steel discs. On the rear, the floating caliper with 2 opposing pistons grips a 280 mm steel disc. The standard equipment is completed by hydraulic piping covered in metallic braid and levers which can be adjusted to 4 positions. Aprilia SRV 850 ABS ATC has a parking brake which is engaged by a convenient lever located in the leg shield backplate. Colors and accessories. SRV 850 ABS ATC is available in 2 color schemes, competition black and racing white. It shares the same range of accessories as the SRV 850, quality products designed to enhance comfort and its high-tech spirit. Titanium and carbon silencer designed by Aero with a bolt-on system that has a dB killer, significantly lighter compared to the original exhaust. The Euro 3 silencer is EU approved for street use and it ensures a deeper and sportier sound. A gel sport saddle which, showing of an absolutely sporty design, provides maximum riding comfort thanks to an isothermal gel insert in the rider seating area. The quick-release top box kit can hold a flip-up helmet and a full jet helmet with visor. The upper shell is color-coordinated with the vehicle and equipped with a backrest to provide maximum comfort for the passenger even on long trips. The top box is made from the same material as the saddle, in carbon look fabric with red stitching. An electronic alarm complete with wiring harness. A smoked effect tinted windshield, in high-quality methacrylate to guarantee maximum protection and the best riding comfort in any weather conditions. A leg cover that also extends the functionality of the new Aprilia even into the winter season. Equipped with anti-theft, easy to install, the leg cover provides maximum stability even at high speed and increases passive safety thanks to reflective inserts. The waterproof saddle cover is built in. A protective bike cover in black waterproof material with thermobonded seams and the Aprilia logo, reflective strip, transparent window for the license plate and chain ring covered in PVC. The cover features an adjustable elastic band on the edge that ensures a correct fastening and bags to cover any accessories such as top box and windshield. Anodized aluminium footrests which can be installed without any modifications thanks to the connections already predisposed on the bike. These integrate perfectly with the standard equipment footrests, maintaining the anti-slip feature. Mechanical handlebar lock anti-theft device, a quick, practical and convenient system which, when not in use, stays secured between the seat and footrest. The anti-theft device is extendable with a special accessory in order to secure the scooter to a pole. Modular frame cover front mudguard carbon look to enhance the sport character of the Aprilia SRV 850 ABS ATC. TomTom GPS Navigator Installation Kit, which includes the bracket and mounting hardware, specifications.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.